Hi, I'm Dr. Burtman, and this is a message to Twilio, and essentially those who run it. Bottom line is this: I think you have the solution in your hands to really save our healthcare system, both here and abroad. We just need to send everybody a text message that finds out what their temperature is. Text that back once a day. We'll have a heat map of everywhere and understand where to focus our resources while we prepare our healthcare reserves to fill in and control this. You could also do a back and forth, are you well? Text one for yes and two for no. Do you have sore throat, cough, loss of smell, taste, shortness of breath, or fever? Any of these, text back one. And we can very quickly develop a map of who's where and stop each state from trying to figure this out. Or perhaps let's do this in Rhode Island, my state, or Massachusetts, where we can quickly test this out. So just some ideas. I needed to get them to you as quickly as I can. Hopefully this method gets them there. Thanks.